What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of
Don't Keep Up with the Joneses.
It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. As you can see, I have my lovely family here, and we are excited about our collard green harvest, okay? Crystal's been asking me for a while what is ready back here in the garden that we can have and eat and consume. And now I know the collards are ready, and there's actually kale that is ready as well, in which we are going to harvest today. And make sure you tune back in because I'm gonna do a video where I do the kale chips that was referred to me by one of our lovely viewers. Okay, yes, thank you. So, Rain, you ready to do a harvest?
Yes!
Oh, Mom, you ready?
Yes.
Wow, you ready for a fashion show. Ricky, you ready?
Yes.
All right, so the family is all ready. So let's get to it, y'all. So let me show you how to do it, Rain. So all you have to do is you come around and then you get the leaf, right? And then you just break it down.
I am.
So that's your leaf, just like that, okay?
Okay.
And you put it in the basket.
Like you can
Get your leaf, Rain. Get your leaf, right? You put it in the basket.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and get this one. Break this one off. No. Look, watch me. So you break down, okay? And it's like this. You get the whole thing. All right, let me see you do this one. No. Don't pull it, right? All right, it's okay. Daddy will do it. Daddy will do this one. All right?
It's too hard.
That's not hard. So let me show you all as I show Rain. So what you want to do is come up under. You always want to start from the bottom up, and then you break it off just like that, and you have what you need. So I'll do this one as well. Break it from the stem, right? So you have a nice green leafy collard. You don't want to pull your collard because you don't want it to loosen up from the root, from the stem, which that's why you just break down. You get your whole piece just like that, and it's good to go. So these on this side are smaller than those on that side because of the sun and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the other side to get the bigger ones that we are used to seeing in the grocery stores and things like that. So let's go do that. It's not a picture, it's a video. All right, beautiful people, so clearly the kids kind of tapped out in the meantime, in between time. So we have some kale that they're holding, and then we also have some collards. Like, wait, y'all hold it, guys, hold it. There's so many collards. We're going to like have to clean these and cook these, and we're going to give some away, right? So who you want to give these away to?
I know.
Who are you thinking?
To Uncle Brian.
Okay, you want to give Uncle Brian some? All right, that sounds like a plan. You want to give Uncle Brian some? Oh, okay, well, so
Give him all of them.
give him all of them. Okay, all of them in your hand. We can do that. And all in your hand, we could do that too. Why? Because we have some more over there as well that they could not hold. But at the end of the day, that is just that easy. From seed to harvest is what you all saw. And of course, I picked them in a way that they will grow back and continue to grow. And I have more and things like that. And it will be more that we can eat, Rain. All right, we get to eat some more. So at the end of the day, like she said, please give some things away. You can't eat it all, so find a friend, find a family member that you can give it to, so that you can make their day just as bright and healthy as yours. Okay, so with that being said, I love you all. See you next time. Peace.